In this video, we will look into what it means when you have a red blinking light on your AirPods Pro. So if this is happening on either the case like this, so the status light on the front is blinking red, or whether that's actually happening on the actual AirPod itself, this is generally due to a problem with pairing or connecting to a device. So the best way to go ahead and fix this is to perform a hard reset on your AirPods Pro. To do this, if you look on the back of your AirPods Pro case, there's a small white button. So what you're going to want to do is open up the lid on your AirPods Pro. And with the lid open, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and make sure you've got both your AirPods in the case. And then what you want to do is go ahead and press and hold onto the button on the back of the case. So what's going to happen is the status light on the front is going to start blinking white, and after about 20 seconds, the white light is going to change to an orange blinking light. At this point, keep your finger held onto the button, and what will happen is the orange light will turn back to a white blinking light. So once that's done, the AirPods are now fully reset, and that should resolve this problem. So what you can now do is go ahead and try reconnecting to the device, and there should be no red light. If you have a solid red light, that's due to the AirPods Pro case being low on charge. So if you do have a solid red light instead of a blinking red light, what you're going to want to do is charge up your case. However, if you've tried these steps and you're still getting a blinking red light, there could actually be a problem with the case itself. So what I would recommend at this point is taking it into an Apple store or getting into contact with Apple support for them to look into this issue further for you. So that is what the red blinking light means on your AirPods Pro. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.